them. Look.
Yes, thank you.
You still got them?
Yeah.
He's gonna break off, bud. That could be a 20-pounder.
No, it isn't. It's way smaller than all my other ones. Out of the air.
How do you get that aerial boost thing?
Huh?
How do you get the aerial boost?
When it just comes up. Or you can do it. Or you can just do it without it. I bet it's pulling it up. What's vibrating on the bed?
Let's see, I bet you 12 pounds. 14.
What? That's only 4. God, I did all that 14. Oh my god.
Those are hard, huh? Oh, you like it?
Yeah, I want to go to the tournament. Alright, no, I'm just going to go to the rocky spots.